Ready to order?
I'll have the dessert menu.
Jack said what to the waiter?
The Brown family is going to a restaurant tonight.
What will they eat? What will they say?
A restaurant. We're here. We're here. Look, the sign says restaurant.
I see pizza and cake.
Okay, everyone, let's go inside. After you, everyone.
Thank you, Brown.
It smells so good in here.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
We don't have a reservation. Is that okay?
Of course. We have a table for you, right this way. Right this way, please. Follow me.
Sophia, look, that food looks so good.
We will order soon, Anna. Come.
Whoa, that table has 3 desserts.
This is a nice table. I like it.
Anna, put your napkin on your lap.
Sophia, what is this little fire?
That is a candle. Don't touch it, it's hot.
Why does salt have holes?
Here are your menus. I'll be back in a moment.
Thank you very much.
It is very big.
I know exactly what I want already. Interesting. Very interesting.
Pasta, chicken, soup, yes.
I'd like the pasta.
Let's read the menu together, Anna. This says chicken soup. Chicken soup? Yes. It's warm soup with chicken inside. Very nice.
Oh, I like soup. Sophia, what is this?
That is pasta.
Pasta. I know pasta.
What comes with it? What comes with it? Very useful.
Perfect. This one. Right here. I am ready.
Ice cream. Sophia, they have ice cream.
Yes, maybe after dinner.
Ice cream.
Let's learn some restaurant words. Menu, fork, knife, spoon, napkin, glass, plate, candle. Now you know all the words on a restaurant table.
Sophia, is this spicy?
Yes, Jack, very spicy.
I can do it. I love spicy.
Okay, Jack.
Can I get you something to drink?
Can we have some water, please? For all 4 of us. Of course. Still or sparkling? Still water, please. Thank you.
I will have the dessert menu, please.
Cindy is thinking. Still thinking. Brown is trying very hard not to laugh.
Jack.
Anna is also struggling.
Jack, it's okay. Let's try again. Excuse me, can we have just 1 more minute?
Of course. Take your time.
The waiter will ask you, ready to order? You can say, yes, I'd like, or we're not ready yet, or can we have a moment, please? All 3 are polite and correct.
Take your time. I'll be right here.
In a restaurant, it's okay to say you need more time. Look at this family. Jack, confident. Brown, trying not to laugh. Sophia, very calm. Anna cannot believe her eyes. Can Jack learn to order correctly? Let's find out. Act 2. Jack tries again.
Okay, I've got this. I am ready.
Ready to order?
I will have the dessert menu again, please.
Jack, look at your menu. Turn it like this.
It looks different now.
Yes, now it is the right way.
Oh.
I'd like the pasta, please, and a glass of water.
Excellent choice. So that's 1 pasta and 1 water, is that right?
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
I'll have the garden salad, please. No onions.
No onions, of course. And to drink? Water is fine. Thank you.
And what would you like?
I would like the...
I'm sorry. Can you say that again?
Excuse me, Sir Bill?
Sir Bill?
The bill. Your name? Sir Bill. Jack, this is a bill. It means the money you pay at the end. It is not a person's name.
So the bill is the price?
Yes, exactly right, Jack.
Oh, I understand now.
Here are 3 ways to order your food. 1, I'd like the pasta, please. Very polite. 2, I'll have the chicken soup. Polite. 3, can I have the burger? Also polite. All 3 are correct. Use any one you like.
I'll have the
Hamburger?
and no vegetables, please. No vegetables on the plate, no vegetables on the side, no vegetables anywhere near the plate.
No vegetables. Got it.
I like to be clear.
Perfect. I'll have that out for you soon.
Thank you very much.
Here is your order.
This is a fish?
I ordered a salad, not a fish. Why are there vegetables? I said no vegetables.
Excuse me, I think there is a small mix-up with our order.
Of course, I'll get Cindy for you.
I'm sorry, this is not what I ordered. I ordered the salad.
I'm so sorry. I will fix that right away. I'll have the correct orders out for you in just a moment.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
No more fish!
Goodbye, vegetables. Goodbye forever.
This pasta is delicious.
Pasta?
So good.
When does my food come?
Do you want to try, Anna?
Yes, please.
It's delicious.
Delicious.
You can change your order. Just say no before the food you don't want. No onions, please. No pepper, please. No sauce, please. And if you want more of something, extra cheese, please. No vegetables, please. Extra cheese, please.
Why is the fork not working? Oh, the spoon. It works. The soup stays in.
Yes, Jack. The spoon is for soup.
Excuse me, can we have some more water, please?
Of course. Right away. Anna is watching. Anna is listening. But will Anna speak to the waiter? She is nervous, but she is brave too. Let's find out in Act 3.
Anna, you can do this. Just use simple words.
What if I say the wrong thing?
That's okay. We all say wrong things. Then we try again.
I'd like the chicken soup, please.
You see, I'd like
Then the food. Then please.
I'd like the soup, please. I'd like the soup, please.
Here is the sentence frame. Fill in the blank. I'd like the please. I'd like the pasta, please. I'd like the soup, please. I'd like the salad, please. Now you try. What do you like? I'd like the please.
Excuse me, could we have some more bread, please?
Of course. Right away.
Excuse me, what comes with the burger?
Great question. The burger comes with fries, a small salad, and a drink. The burger comes with fries, a small side salad, and your choice of drink.
Fries, okay. Side salad, fine. And a drink. No vegetables on the salad, please.
No vegetables on the salad. Got it.
You can customize your order. Here's how. No onions, please. Remove something you don't want. Extra sauce, please. Add more of something. On the side, please. Put it in a separate small dish. You can change anything. Just ask politely.
I'd like the burger, please, with no vegetables.
Perfect choice. No vegetables. Got it.
Jack, high five.
Yes!
You did it, Jack!
Watch me, Anna. No onions, please. 3 words. Simple. You can say it.
No onions, please.
Yes, exactly right.
I'd like the soup, please.
You can also ask for more of something. Say extra sauce, please. Extra cheese, please. Extra bread, please. Extra everything, please. Maybe not everything at once, Jack.
I'll have the apple pie, please.
Same for me, please.
Same for me, please.
Same for me, please. No vegetables.
Before I go, does anyone have any food allergies?
No, we're fine. Thank you for asking.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Always polite. Always clear.
You can say no in English and still be very polite. Anna's hand is moving. It's going up slowly. Go on, Anna. You can do it, Anna. Just say the words slowly. I am right here.
How do you get the waiter's attention? 2 correct ways. 1. Raise your hand calmly. 2. Say excuse me politely, not like Jack with both arms. It worked though. It worked, but please don't do it.
Jack, arms down. Like this. One arm calm and say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
A little quieter, and the arm just here.
Better. Good.
Act 3 is almost over. Anna has practiced. Anna has listened. Anna has support. In Act 4, Anna speaks to the waiter. Let's go. Act 4, Anna's big moment. Is she ready?
I'd like the...
Cindy waits. She is patient. She is kind. Take your time, Anna.
I'd like the chicken soup, please.
Excellent choice. Chicken soup. Perfect.
Great choice. I'll have that right out for you.
Well done, Anna.
Yes!
I knew you could do it.
I did it!
And for me, I'd like the burger, please. And no vegetables, please.
No vegetables. Already written.
She knows me.
No problem, Jack. All taken care of.
Look at all the phrases you know now. I'd like the please. No, please. Extra, please. Same for me, please. Excuse me, can we have some more, please? All 5. You know them all. Well done.
Excuse me, can we have some more water, please?
Of course. Right away.
Excuse me, can I have another napkin, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Excuse me, could we have some more bread, please?
Right away. I did it! I spoke to the waiter!
Anna spoke to the waiter in English by herself. You can do it too, just like Anna.
Excuse me, is this spicy?
Very spicy. Be careful. Very, very spicy. Be careful, okay?
I understand. I can handle spicy.
Jack takes 1 bite. 1 second, 2 seconds.
Jack, when food is too spicy, say this. It's too spicy for me. That's right, Jack. Very good. My mouth is on fire.
Yes, that is spicy. Excuse me.
Oh. I understand now, Jack.
I know.
3 important phrases for talking about your food. 1. This is delicious when it's very good. 2. It's a little cold. Polite feedback. 3. It's too spicy for me. Honest, polite feedback. It is too spicy for me. Very too spicy.
This is delicious. Compliments to the chef.
I'll pass that along. Thank you.
Excuse me, it's a little cold.
I'll have that heated up for you right.
The meal is almost finished, but one more thing is coming. The bill. Who is Bill? We'll find out in Act 5.
No vegetables. Perfect.
Chicken soup. I ordered it.
This is delicious. Really excellent pasta.
I'm so glad you're enjoying it.
The service here is excellent. Thank you for your patience with us today.
It was absolutely my pleasure. You're a wonderful family.
Excuse me.
Yes?
More bread, please?
Of course. Right away. Of course. And may I say, you've all been wonderful guests today.
Thank you so much. You've been a wonderful waitress.
And then I said, Sir Bill! Sir Bill, come here!
Oh, Jack.
Check, please.
Of course. Whenever you're ready. No rush.
In American English, check please. In British English, can we have the bill please? Both mean the same thing. Both are correct. Use either one.
I understand both. No problem.
Here you are, whenever you're ready. No rush at all.
Jack, look! This is the bill. The price. What we pay. Not a person.
Oh, right. The bill is the price. Bill equals money, not a person named Bill.
How much is it?
Your total today is $42.50.
Thank you.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, of course. Tap, insert, or swipe.
Keep the change.
Thank you very much. That's very kind.
Our pleasure.
Excuse me, is tip included?
No, tip is not included. But thank you so much for asking. Very thoughtful.
Tip is not included today. You can add it if you like, but it's completely your choice.
I understand. Thank you.
Perfect, Anna.
Please come back soon. It was a pleasure having you.
We'll definitely be back. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Goodbye, restaurant. Thank you for the bread.
Good dinner.
Very good dinner.
The best dinner. No vegetables.
I'd like the chicken soup, please. I said it by myself.
I'll have the dessert menu, please. That was me. That was actually me.
Jack, one more time. The bill.
The bill equals the money you pay, not a person named Bill.
Perfect. Final answer.
Final answer. Locked in. Done.
Phrase 1. Can I see the menu, please? Say it again. Can I see the menu, please? Phrase 2. I'd like the please. Fill in the blank. What do you like? Say it now. Phrase 3. No, please. No vegetables, please. Phrase 4. Check, please, or can we have the bill, please? Both correct, both work.
So first, I had the menu upside down, and I didn't know. Then, I ordered the dessert menu as a meal, and then I called the waiter Sir Bill. I had a lot of learning to do today.
Dad, watch me. Say, I'd like the chicken soup, please.
I would very much enjoy the potato.
No, Dad, please. Try again.
I'd like the chicken soup, please. I'd like the pizza.
No, Dad, chicken soup. Say it. I'd like the chicken soup, please.
I'd like the chicken soup, please.
Perfect.
Good teacher, Anna. I'll have the dessert menu.
I'd like the chicken soup, please.
Jack, high five.
This family. Now, the phrases you learned today. Episode 1, at the restaurant. 35 phrases. Let's go through them together. Arriving at the restaurant. Can we have a table for 4, please? We don't have a reservation. Can I see the menu, please? Right this way, please. What is this? Ordering your food. Ready to order? I'd like the please. I'll have the can I have the no thank you, please. Extra, please. Same for me, please. We're not ready yet. During the meal. Excuse me, can we have some more, please? Can I have another napkin? This is not what I ordered. This is delicious. It's a little cold. It's too spicy for me. Can we have some water, please? Paying the bill. Check, please. Can we have the bill, please? How much is it? Do you take credit cards? Keep the change. Is tip included?
One last time, for old time's sake. I will have the dessert menu, please. Classic. That was classic.
Great job today, everyone. I'm really proud of you all. Especially you, Anna.
Thank you, Dad.
Next time on Easy English for Beginners, the Brown family goes somewhere new. New place, new phrases, new adventure. Are we going on a plane? Subscribe to find out.
Thank you for watching today. We hope you learned something useful. Practice these phrases. Use them in a real restaurant. And we'll see you next time.
Bye. And remember, no vegetables.
Subscribe for a new situation every week. Hit the bell so you never miss an episode.